Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be curating modern men's shoe collection, whether you are going out on a casual date, you're hanging out with your friends, or for a formal event. I'll help you build a versatile shoe collection, and don't worry, you don't have to rush out and buy everything at once. In fact, you shouldn't. You should take time and enjoy the process and make it personalized, something specifically for you. So that's why I won't be recommending exact pieces for categories I'll be mentioning further in the video, but I'll be linking down some pieces for your reference which I like to make you understand what you have to buy in that categories. And trust me, once you got these staples, you're ready for any occasions. A quick note before we dive in, there are some shoes which require investment in the quality. You can't cheap out on them because otherwise it won't last too long. And there are some shoes where you could save some money without compromising on the style. So right here I'll have a bar which will show whether you have to invest in the quality or not. So starting off with the good old reliable white sneakers. I believe slim white leather sneakers would be the first sneaker anybody should buy or should have in their shoe collection, because 80 to 90% of the time तुम यही पहनने वाले हो. Because you're wearing it so much, you need to invest in the quality. And second thing you need to keep in check is that it should be minimal, it should be sleek, no logo, no design if possible, and invest to the good leather. I'll link down some for your reference. Now moving on to the second sneakers, which is our chunky sneakers. If you're a guy like me who likes to wear a laid back or relaxed kind of outfit once in a while, you need to pair up with right sneakers which complement the outfit, right? In order for that, you need a chunky sneakers. Now you could buy some Iconics if that resonates with your personality, if you like the brand. There are some New Balance 550s, Adidas Sambas or Gazelles or Pumas, Nike Air Force One, etc, etc. I'll link down a few for your reference, but this is where you will personalize your wardrobe. Choose whichever brand you like, something which is funky, which goes with the relaxed and laid back kind of style. Next, sneakers for guys who likes to prep a lot, who likes to wear a semi-formal or polos or pants on many occasions. These sneakers might be the thing for you. The sneakers that we're talking about is suede sneakers basically. Now investment here is a necessary because suede is expensive. If you cheap on the suede, it won't last too long and the sneaker will wear off in a season or two. So here importance on investment is high. Now there are many colors, but most versatile palette would be the earthy shades. Now these sneakers, where can you not wear? Because it's a sneaker, so you can wear it off with jeans, but you can't just wear it off with too baggy or oversized kind of outfit. This sneaker is the best piece when you're wearing something classy like a linen shirt or a pleated pants or any kind of pants with any kind of classic pieces. So ये sneaker है old money guys के लिए. So next up we have sandals or CROCS or clogs. So you can have one of those or two of those. Sandals much more classy look देगी. तो तुम्हारा old money pants, अगर तुम ऐसे preppy type guy हो तो तुम sandals लेनी चाहिए. If you are more fun, तुम्हें थोड़ा baggier पसंद है सब चीज़, you can go have some CROCS, good quality CROCS. Now here the investment bar is low because you just need to focus on style. You can cut some corners, don't cut too much because otherwise comfortability level कम हो जाएगा बहुत. And gone are the days where you wear flip-flops and slides. Okay, they are not in trend anymore. Next up we have the most underrated segment. Like मैंने बहुत ही कम guys के पास ये देखे हैं, which is boots. Boots के नाम पे लोगों को सिर्फ चेल्सी बूट्स ही पता है, which is of course the OG. मेरे को भी यही पता था. So starting off the first, the OG चेल्सी बूट्स में अभी दो टाइप के बूट्स आने लगे. One chunky sole वाले and one slip sole वाले. Slim one you can have with your classy outfits. You can't have that with the straight fit or relaxed jeans and all. Materials में दो टाइप के आते हैं, leather वाले और suede वाले. Chelsea boots में one thing you have to keep in mind is that shape of the shoe should be well and the quality should be much higher. Boots में तुम्हें invest करना पड़ेगा, investment bar high quality पे है. Now coming to the chunkier one much more fun, youthful लगते हैं. For complementing your baggy or and relaxed fit outfit, you can have with these. Zara does this great. Here buy in leather one. no suede here. Second boots are which I don't want you to buy are chaka boots. Basically boots में 3 heights को होते हैं, low top जैसे heights, एक mid top वाले heights और एक high top वाले heights. So boots having mid top heights और जिसमें थोड़े eyelets होते हैं laces बांधने के लिए, I would highly not suggest those. They look like uncle shoes. Now third one we have the combat boots, military inspired है, तो थोड़ा एकदम रगेड लुक देते हैं तुम्हारे स्ट्रीट स्टाइल के साथ. सबसे बेस्ट जाने वाले बूट्स यही बूट्स है. ये हाई टॉप होते हैं, लेस्ड अप होते हैं स्टार्टिंग से लेके. क्विक टिप बिफोर बाइंग अ बूट, कुछ बूट्स में जिप्स होती है, दो चीप लगते हैं. इवन दो दे आर मच मोर इजी टू वेयर, वो चीप लगेंगे एंड आई वुड हाईली नॉट सजेस्ट यू बाय देम. लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द ड्रेस बूट. ड्रेस बूट में स्मार्ट कैजुअल आउटफिट के लिए, नॉट फॉर्मल एग्जैक्टली बट स्मार्ट कैजुअल आउटफिट के लिए यू कैन गो विद suede loafers. Here investment bar is high. You can have those colors like light grays, beiges and all palettes. I'll link down some good suede loafers for your reference. Now moving on to a proper formal dress shoe जिसमें proper polishing and all होती है. Here we have very varieties of options, whether it be monk straps, Oxfords, loafers, etc. But most common one and most versatile one I think, and which you might resonate with, is the loafers. So go with the loafers. Investment bar high है, means good quality में invest करना है इधर. Now there are two types of loafers. One where there is very slim sole or no sole. And second where we have a chunky sole. Now I want you to have these one. Why? Because they're trendy. Because they are in trend basically. They look much more classy, no further questions. I'll link some downs in the description for you to check out. So there you have it. All of this will cover every occasion you can think of, whether it be dressing up, going casual, or just kicking back on weekend. Start with 1 or 2 essentials and just build up your collection over time. And trust me guys, when you have all these staples, putting outfit together will be much more easier. Thank you for watching, and please comment down if I forgot to mention your staple, your essential which you have and I didn't mention. And I'll catch you guys in the next video.